Okay, I've done it. This is the cheapest and best PC we'll find in all of 2021. Hands down. Before that, this video is brought to you by CDK Deals. CDK Deals is a website that provides games and other software for a really good price. And right now, you can get a Windows 10 Pro key for just under $18. Just apply my special discount code at checkout, receive 20% off, and check out securely with PayPal. Once the payment is cleared, you'll be given a code in your account as well as an email. To activate, all you need to do is search Activate Now in your Windows search bar, click Activate Settings, and type in your key. To learn more, check the links below. Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech Vibe. Today we're going to be looking at a PC that could quite possibly be the absolute cheapest PC that anyone will find of all 2021. And sure, you could find some hunk of junks out there, but this one is not a hunk of junk in any sort of way. I would dare somebody to find a cheaper PC that is just as good as this one. To give you guys an example, the GPU in this PC is a 1050 Ti, 4GB. And if you're not aware of all that's going on, that GPU usually costs $150 itself, brand new. But with everything going on, that GPU costs about $200 to $300 secondhand market. I was able to get the entire PC functional for $250. And a 1050 Ti, guys, if you've been watching the channel lately, you know is not a slouch card. So this is a good PC. It's absolutely fantastic price. Fantastic, hands down. It's got to be the best on the internet. And I would go ahead and bet that you won't find anybody with a cheaper PC find in this time period. I just don't think it would happen. Now, I was able to pick this PC up off of Facebook Marketplace on a local deal, and I recommend if you guys are still in the market and trying to find PC parts, give it a look, guys, because you can definitely catch some good deals on there. You definitely can. Just got to be consistently looking. But at the same time, I recommend you guys stick to local deals and meet in very public places. Got to keep yourself safe out there. Now, after getting this thing home, it was very evident that this thing was absolutely dirty. It was filthy. It needed to be cleaned up. And who better to give it the TLC that it needed but me? So I made sure I grabbed my tools, headed outside, and got this thing dusted up. And there was so much dust flying out of this thing. It was bad. After getting the PC all cleaned up, it was definitely time to go ahead and throw a little spin on here and make it our own. Now, the person that owned it before had some RGB strips in there, but they no longer worked, and no RGB, me no likey. So that needed fixed. All right, so here we are in the system, boys. Let's go ahead and check it out, just so y'all can verify, because you know that's what we do. We verify. And about the PC, we are on the Ryzen 3 1200. Got the quad-core processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and the GPU. What are we working with? The 1050 Ti. That's what I said, but y'all want to see it for yourself. There it is. MSI Afterburner showing it. 1050 Ti. Got the NVIDIA control panel coming in to verify yet again. So that's what we're working with, boys. That's what we're going to see. That's what we're going to check out. This is what it's going to be. So let's get this game going. First up, Apex.
Get ready. Let's explore this
You know where we're going. What you got to ask, you don't ever have to ask. If you see the blue lights, that's where we're headed. The blue lights, that's where we're going every time. If you try to not go to the blue lights, I'm going to leave you and go to the blue lights. You know how you find better guns? You just go. Oh, boys on top of me. Loba thing right below me.
Enemy down.
New kill leader appointed.
Just giving my shields a recharge. New kill leader. Eyes out for it. Deploy near drone.
Meat to meat. Meat to meat. Did you just take a purple backpack from me? Listen, you're gonna get some aggressive meat to meat.
Hostile over there.
We should conduct a spotted a subject over there.
No, I do. I'm just gonna come up behind him because I didn't want to get killed.
Subject spotted there.
Just a step.
Yep.
1 second.
Meat to meat! Meat to meat! Go this way, don't go then. Oh, look at that boy. It's like I know it's like the default emote, guys. Look, I don't play this game. Okay, I don't. I used to, okay? And I got better skins on my other account, my actual account. I got the Omega skin, alright? If you're a true Fortnite player, you know what that is. Well, what should I do? Okay, come on. Got my guy below me. Clearly, we're having some stuff. Get put down. Get put down.
come out here like that. Don't do that. Oh my gosh, there's fire. What the heck is that? What is this fire spreading? What is that? It's a terrible addition. Horrible. I mean, it's kind of cool for the buildings. Okay, I'm not going to. It's cool for the buildings. On the grass fires, come on now. You gone too far, Epic. I gotta get my boy. Okay? He's the only one I know how to play. I need that.
Control point contested.
Roll up on these boys. Ain't even about to see this coming.
Thank me later.
Oh, come on. Ow! That dude got in my way. Got in front of my shots.
Just keep lining up now.
Dang it!
Lethal out.
If you don't... Right, boy!
Not yet.
Dang it. I didn't have my Q up. I didn't have it.
Get back in the fight.
No!
Give me up.
No, you shouldn't have done that. Why you do that? Why you do that like that? We gotta flank him. That's what we're gonna do. Don't you come to my house thinking that you're welcome, because you're not. Oh, shoot!
You're all that's left. No more reinforcements available. Overtime. Capture the point.
Boy, I murdered my boy right there. Oh no!
Run it again.
Dang it. Let me tell you what happened right there. I just sucked. That's what happened. I know you guys love story time, and I was really excited to show you guys this game. This is called Just Die Already, and it's basically just like Goat Simulator. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but it's Goat Simulator with old people pretty much. And this game was so hilarious to play, and I was just so excited for you guys to see the stupidity that this game offered and the fun. But I decided to show my friend while I was trying to record for you guys, and for whatever reason it didn't capture my audio for the recording. I guess it captured it for the stream instead. So voiceover is where we're at. So as you can see, you know, I just blew my arm off here, and it just does not stop there. The ridiculousness gets even further. Right here, you see me, I'm getting mauled by piranha. There's just so much goofiness and ridiculous that just continues to happen in this game, and I was pretty excited for you guys to see it. But I mean, we're here for the performance, and you can see that the FPS is doing over 100. We're doing really good, and there was just so many laughs going on playing this game. It was very entertaining, and I might check this out for our live stream, so we'll see. But it just doesn't stop. The 1050 Ti just pushing frames.
After seeing this video, guys, I hope that it has shown you yet again that you really don't have to have the brand new shiny to play some good games. Every game I played today, I play on my regular PC, and that thing's way more powerful. But you don't have to have that to enjoy some good games. I had a blast on that Just Die Already game. First time I've seen that game, hilarious. Great time. If you guys are still looking for PC parts, I recommend checking out the secondhand market, guys. You can really get surprised out there and find some really good deals. I'm hoping with what Nvidia's saying that they're planning on doing, that the GPU market comes back around and normalizes, and all of these hyper prices just are gone. I really do hope that. But in case it doesn't, guys, anytime soon, this stuff is still really good, and keep that in mind. Don't let people make you feel like you have to have the new stuff, because more often than not, you don't. I know it's easy to say that when you have the new stuff, and it's even more so frustrating to hear it when you're the one that doesn't have the new stuff, but guys, I've shown you me playing these games on this PC and having fun. I feel like that's what it's about, isn't it? Anyways, I hope you guys got some sort of value out of this video, and if you did, please consider hitting that subscribe and liking the video. It really does help out the channel so very much, and it tells YouTube that I'm a decent YouTuber and they put my videos out there for more people to see. And, well, I'd appreciate it as well. That's going to do it for the video. I hope you can like, I hope you can subscribe, and if not, well, I hope to catch you in another one. And remember, it's a vibe. A tech vibe. Specifically. We'll see you.